David, no, listen. They got body armor. That gun will do nothing. And this is not your money. Let's go. Fucking go!
We're 6 minutes out.
One. 4 is down. I repeat, 4 is down. Do you have eyes on 3?
3 is spawn.
Who's firing?
Copy that, Adams. All units are advised.
3 is down. We've got a rat on the loose. Elvis is leaving the building.
David, just put the gun down and hide. The SWAT team, they're on the way.
Oh, son goes down the hallway. I'm gonna fucking shoot him, Terry.
There's no need. There is no need.
I'm making my way to you now, Elvis.
Come on out and you won't get hurt. Come on, come here. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Come on.
Some SWAT, some choppers, bring someone in right the fuck now.
Man down.
Stay down. We're 4 minutes out.
We're sitting ducks here.
Do it. Give me a gun.
Fucking
Give me a gun. Thank you.
What the?
We gotta move.
Come on,
Get up.
Bro.